Doctors have also filed 10%. I have seen, I have come across.
Yes, my lord.
See, this is not a fair thing which we should do.
Obliged, my lord.
Fight a case. Why civil courts are there?
Obliged, my lords. It's not a civil dispute primarily, my lords. There are 4 properties involved, my lords. My learned friend is misleading this honorable court. There is only one partition suit.
When was the partition suit filed?
2020, my lords.
Who filed?
All my petitioners, sister and full family
I
members.
will direct the civil court to dispose of the suit within 6 months.
Obliged, my lords. Obliged, my lords.
They have not also seen the rejection of plea. They are dragging on the matter.
He is dragging, my lords. My lords.
What is the property?
Hayat Nagar court, my lords.
What is the property involved?
There is a house in Vanasthalipuram area, my lords. Plot.
Vanasthalipuram?
Yes, my lords.
Father?
Grandfather's property, my lords, has been grabbed.
Your father is there?
My father has expired, my lords, because this is the case of culpable homicide, my lords.
Who is staying in the house?
My mother and myself, my lords.
How many sisters you have?
I don't have any siblings. This is my mother's side, father's property, my lords.
Who are these persons? You said your brother-in-law has administered.
My cousin brother-in-law, my lords.
Cousin brother-in-law.
Yeah. My maternal aunt's son-in-law.
Parties in the partition suit are?
My maternal aunt side and my mother and another sister, my lords.
Mother, sisters?
Yes, another sister. Another sister, only sister.
Who has bequeathed it to the proposed accused? It has been registered. His mother has executed.
Only one property.
My lords, one humble submission, my lords. Kindly record this submission, my lords. He says it has been bequeathed. You please record this. Please, no.
My lord, let me make my submission. Please go.
The cat is out of the bag, my lords. Humble submission. Kindly record this.
Bequeath means what?
He's lying, my lords. He's lying. He did not bequeath. He has expired in the year 2006, and they got.
That is a point to be decided.
That's true.
He is instructed by his client to say that in the court. Why are you concentrating on him? He is a lawyer. After all, he is a lawyer. Don't forget. You seem to be having more grudge on him.
No, not at all, my lords. Not at all. Not at all, my lords. He is having more grudge on me rather than me, my lords. It's a fact, my lords. Humble submission.
And see, my lords, when the criminal cases were filed, all the criminal cases were filed after the filing of civil case. And I am dealing those civil cases and all the criminal cases from day one.
My lords, both have been filed parallelly, my lords. There were enormous amount of criminal ingredients in the criminal cases, my lords. 250 square yards, my lords.
250, 270 square yards.
280.
Mostly open.
For 250 square yards, so many disputes?
No, my lords. Humble submission. There is one more plot of my mother's brother that is in the same area, Hayat Nagar. That is also 200, my lords. And above all, my father had around 10 flats in this Masab Tank area. They have stolen the will deeds as well as the sale deeds. And they have started misappropriating them, my lords, by forging the will deeds. They are experts, my lords. The accused are experts in committing such kind of white collar offences, my lords. All the total estate is worth more than 25 crores, my lords. Today, my mother, my lord, she has been hospitalized thanks to the Usmania General Hospital at least. We could not afford the private hospital treatment thanks to my learned friends, clients, that we have been made paupers in spite of having good amount of estate. That is only because we could not dispose anything, my lords. Because they have completely cut off all our, total strengths.
Contesting parties are your maternal aunts.
Yes, my lords.
And uncles.
Yes, my lords. Maternal aunt and her extended her family, my lords.
Only one property.
I am telling you, I have already indicated.
Obliged, my lords. I am
deeply
obliged. Deeply obliged, my lords.
Next week. 3010.
What is the list?
30. 83. Obliged.
Next.
Lordship, last occasion employed the NCRP portal, Lord. Employed petition.
Completed? Yes. Any standing counsel they have in High Court? Yes, notice to proposed. Where is the office? Which Delhi or Bombay?
Delhi.
Notice to respondents 6 and 7. In the name of Deputy Solicitor General of India. Post on 30.
One submission in this case. They are saying my accounts as
till now I am not informed what is the role of
NCRP portal.
NCRP, and how can they excise lien over the account? I do not have any information.
They
So
received
let
a
the
call
NCRP
on 1930.
They are, here they are saying that my account has been frozen by NCRP, and then behind my back, they are withdrawing funds from my account by filing application before the magistrate. And
I do
without
not
my
know.
notice.
I do not know how they operate and what are the rules. So let them come. Please wait.
They are not appearing, Your Honor. Notice has been served to them. They are not appearing.
Let the central government standing council come. I will decide. 23.
Short date.
Short date 3010. If the notices are served, you ask for advancement. That's 2020.
32.
35.
Identical matter.
Yes.
Not filed.
All matters 3010. Please take out notice.
One submission, Your Honor. There is not
You do one thing. Serve papers on the Deputy Solicitor General.
Item number 33, I filed counter loss.
Yes, I'll take up on 3010.
Okay.
36 counter is not.
36 million.
The subject matter is the same. Regard to survey number 267 in both the repetition. There is a triangle point claiming its property. Three sets of people are claiming below. In repetition 9421 of 2021.
Next petition.
Mr. Prabhakar's clients Malak P. Ramachandraya, Bade Madan Gopal, Desai Rajendra are the repetitioners before the
Which one? WP?
9421 of 2021. The extent of the property is 3 acres 15 guntas in survey number 267, situated at the Salar Tanda, Mandal Mahbubabad Mandal, district Mahbubabad. The first set of people who are Ramana's clients will respond at 6 to 10 in this present repetition. They are LRs of one Desha Malak, Dharavat Desha. They are also respondents in my repetition. Even the repetitioners in this repetition are also respondents in my repetition. But the respondents 6 to 10 in the repetition 9421, they say, they contend that their father, Desha, had purchased the property by means of simple sale dated 6/4/1973. The original person, Dinarapur Ramaya, alias Koduri Ramaya, Mangali Ramaya. There is no dispute, both the parties are agreeing with regard to the names. But the Sada Bainama, they are claiming 6/4/1973. No
alienation was made either through registered sale deed or through any regularization under Section 5A of the ROR Act. The LRs never approached the revenue authorities for regularization. Well, at respondent number 13 in my requisition on Obliseti Srinivas Rao has also come into picture, claiming that he has purchased the same from the respondents 8 to 12 hearing, 8 to 12 in this present, 8 to 10 in the present requisition. 6 to 10, 6 to 10. There are 8 to 12 in my requisition. By Sada Bainama on 18/3/2014.
Again, R13 also, again unregistered sale deed.
Unregistered sale deed. When Desha himself had not acquired any title over the property. Your Lordships are aware the question of transferring title to the other persons, including this point number 13, does not arise. But even if they are in possession of the property, there is a provision in 2018 amendment provision. Basing on this possession also they can approach the Tahsildar. Thus the provision that came into force in 2018, that is 5A6. Declaration provision is 5A. This was added in the Act 1 of 2018. Subject to the provisions of subsection 2 of section 5A, the Tahsildar shall regularize claims of those applicants who have applied not later than 31/12/2007, that is cut off the date, and have been in possession and do not have any Sada Bainama document based on enjoyment survey, local inquiry, approval of Grama Sabha, and it shall be limited up to acres 5 acres. But this also they are not included. They say that they have purchased the property in 1973. If they are in possession of the property, they could have availed this. That they have not availed. Some document was brought into existence, claiming that they purchased, Desha purchased the property in 1973, but they don't take any steps pursuant to that, either seeking sale deed or regularization under 5A or 5/6. If they are in possession of the property, leave about the sale deed. The second set of people, that is first Deshas and his LRs, the first set of people, and the Obliseti Srinivas is responding to 30 who claims through the LRs of Desha. The second set of people are being represented by Mr. A. Prabhakar Rao, the present repetition, that is repetition 9421. Your Lordship, kindly see the affidavit. He has not made me party. None of these persons make the Pujari Ramaya or his sons, after his death, his sons as parties. Now, the Lordship may kindly see page 9, the affidavit, affidavit filed by Vaddi Madan Gopal.
Page 9 of WP
9421.
Yes.
but I take your lordship to the para 3. I submit the late N.R. Ramaya, alias Puru Ramaya, Mangali Ramaya was the owner and patedar of the land in survey number 267, admeasuring 3 acres 15 gunta, situated at Salartanda, Mahbubabad district, having purchased the same from Maram Raju Sheshagiri Rao, son of Venkateshwarlu, with the permission granted by the Tahsildar, Mahbubabad under section 50B of AP Telangana Area Tenants and Agriculture Lands Act 1950, while certificate dated 19/3/1965 in file number 64. The name of N.R. Ramaya, Puru Ramaya, Mangal Ramaya was mutated in the revenue records as Pateda in respect of the land in survey number 267, admeasuring 3 acres 15 gunta, situated at Salartanda, Mahbubabad district. Melody Lordship may kindly see. Now this is important. The first petitioner, that is Puchagala Ramchandra, who is claiming through a unregistered sale deed dated 28/4/1988. He doesn't mention this melody in this writ petition. Subsequently, he filed certain documents by way of memo. Melody Lordships are aware documents will be filed with supporting affidavit. And whether those documents are, standard court cannot take judicial notice of a memo wherein those documents are fine. Whether those documents are genuine, whether those documents are relevant, or whether how those documents were obtained, but he should state an affidavit in support of those documents. That we are not. The first petitioner purchased the land in survey number 267, admeasuring 3 acres 15 gunta, situated at Salartanda, Mahbubabad district from N.R. Ramaya, Pururi Ramaya, in the year 2008. Now the documents he has produced 1988, 28/4/1988. Then next, I submit that the Tahsildar on an application submitted by the petitioner number 1 mutated his name, not by a regulation. But they should disclose all the facts in the affidavit, sworn affidavit. His name in the revenue records as Patedar and issued Patedar passbooks and the title deeds in his favor by Patta number in the year 2011. In 2011, you must make an issue. He purchases in the year 1988, but in the affidavit they say in 2008, and the regularization in the mutation in the revenue records in 2011. Patta number 958 in 2011. But there is no evidence to show that before that any possession was given to him or his name was entered in the revenue records as a possessor pursuant to the unregistered sale deed dated 28/4/1980. That was nowhere it is there. Then the Lord situated Salartanda, Mahbubabad and assigned unique number so and so. The petitioner number 1 is in possession and enjoyment of the said land and eking out his livelihood by cultivating the lands. The first petitioner herein sold the land in survey number 267 admeasuring 3 acres 15 gunta, situated at Mahbubabad, Salartanda, Mahbubabad district in favor of petitioners 2 and 3 under a registered sale deed dated 7/9/2011. Admeasuring 2 acres 35 guntas in survey number 267 and execute another sale deed 8/9/2011 in favor of the petitioners 2 and 3 in respect of the land in survey number 267 admeasuring 0.20 guntas. First of all, how is it?
Please continue. I have one meeting, otherwise I could.
No.
Same like yesterday,
3:30.
3:30, because I'll complete the other list. Loyal service.
Very well.